Welcome students. Today's section, my subject watershed management. The today's section, the topic is hydrology. Why hydrology? Hydrology is a graphical represent of the discharge of a river at a given point with respect to the time interval. With respect to the time interval. Discharge with respect to the time interval. It shows the graph between two cases. One is rainfall and discharge. The discharge or water flow quantity refers to the production of speed velocity of rivers and cross-section area of the rivers. The discharge or water flow is expressed as D is equal to S into D refers to the discharge, where S is equal to speed or velocity, or A is equal to, what is the abbreviation of A? Cross-sectional area. Water flow quantity is measured in meter cube per second or cubics. The figure shows the hydrograph with storm flow. The first one, the components of hydrograph. The first one is approach lamp, rising lamp, approach lamp. The approach lamp refers to the approach segment label in the graph shows the volume of water discharged into the river before a storm. It refers to the hydrograph shows the volume of water discharged into the river before a storm. This is also refers as the acidic flow rate. The shape of the approach limb depends on the previous existing condition in the watershed. Distribution of rainfall intensity depend upon rainfall intensity and hydraulic length of the basin, ground slope, hydrological condition of soils in the lower portion of a watershed. It depends on the slope of a land, rainfall intensity, hydrologic length of the basin, and hydrological condition of a soil. The next one is rising limb. The next one is rising limb. Rising limb. Approach segment able in the graph shows it depends on the slope segment, and the rising limb, the next one is rising limb. When the precipitation, the discharge into the river is negligible. When the precipitation starts, the discharge into the river is negligible. As the rainfall continues, the surface runoff and the through flow river causing a rapid increasing in discharge, and this is indicated by the rising limb. As rainfall continues, the surface runoff and the through flow reaches to the river, causing the rapid increasing in discharge, and this indicated by rising limb. So rainfall will be continuous, so surface runoff will be increased, so water will be continuously flows into the river. That indicates the rising of the rising limb. A steep rising limb is an indication of the rapid discharge of rainwater into the river. The shape of rising limb depends on the same characteristics as those of the approach limb along the duration and distribution of rainfall. Lag time. The lag time refers to the period between the maximum precipitation and peak discharge in the rivers. The lag time in a watershed, the following factors are soil and rock type. The soil and rock type. Slope of the basin. The slope of the basin, size of the basin, drainage density, type and amount of vegetation, amount of water storage. The following factors are lag time, that are the size of the basin, drainage density, type and amount of vegetation. The next one is falling receding and recessing falling. That next one is falling limb. It refers to the segment of the graph depicting that water is reaching the river, but in decreasing amount. The lower part of the recession limb decreases to the base flow of the stream, which is contributed by the discharge of the groundwater. Next one is base flow. It refers to the release of groundwater into the river during the period of low precipitation. During low precipitation, the water is released groundwater into the rivers during the period of low precipitation. And the main purpose of hydrograph is prediction of flood risk, taking necessary precautions to avoid loss of life and damage to property. The main aim of hydrograph is reducing the floods and taking necessary precautions to avoid loss of life and damage to property. Thank you. Once again repeat hydrograph. What is hydrograph? Hydrograph is a graphical representation of the discharge of a river at a given point with respect to time interval. It represents the graph approaches limb. The approaches limb depends on the previously existing condition in the watershed, distribution of rainfall intensity, and hydrologic length of the basin, ground slope, hydrological condition of soil in the lower portion of the watershed. And the next one is rising limb. The rising limb are, as the rainfall continues, the surface runoff and the throughout the reach the river. So rainfall continuous, so surface runoff will be continuous, and throughout flow reaches the rivers, causing the increasing in discharge, and this indicated by the rising limb. And lag time refers to the period between the maximum precipitation and peak discharge in the rivers, that are soil and rock type, slope of the basin, size of the basin, drainage density, type and amount of vegetation. The rising limb, the parameters are soil and rock type, slope of the basin, size of the basin, drainage density, type and amount of the precipitation. And next one is receding. It refers to it is the segment of the graph depicting that water is reaching the river but in decreasing amount. And next one is base flow. It refers to the release of groundwater into the river during the period of low precipitation. Release the groundwater into the river during the low precipitation. And the main purpose of hydrograph is prediction of flood risk and taking necessary precautions to avoid loss.